Так. Well, guys. Guys. Hopefully I'll get someone here today, tonight. Hello, guys. I hope everyone is going to have fun with me. Wow, who is that first person in like 3 years on my stream? Let me add some music here, because, you know, we need that. Music. Okay, hello. Long time no see. What the hell is this? I will remove this button a bit to the side, right? Because my face is getting covered. Hello. Yeah, you're gonna be the first who touched my stream in a while. Okay. Let me move a little bit sideways my image, because yeah, like that. I'm guessing if anybody is going to join or not. Ну да. Да, блин, ну канал мертвый был 3 года вообще. Я немножко переквалифицировался больше в трейдинг, помимо просто инвестиций, альтов и прочего. Помимо этого, конечно, это все добро есть. Вот, но я прям что-то не до этого. Когда зарабатываешь деньги не этим, как бы, что вести называется. А тут сейчас понял, блин, оно можно и пассивно какие-то вещи людей обучать, смотреть, ну и как-то может расти. Дело в том, что я же все время от цикла к циклу, и эти, блин, альткоин покупки могут быть вообще бесконечными. Там купил однажды, забыл, вернулся через черт знает сколько, купил опять через черт знает сколько, а тут в трейдинге ты такой, опа, делаем баблишко. Если кто-то подключится, я начну... okay. Yeah, I will switch to English, because not everyone is speaking Russian here, I assume. So yeah, I basically came back to a lot of spot trading because I checked my P&L, profit and loss, and I found that actually spot is even better, and it's a lot low. It's like I can say it's like 90% less risks, because you can get liquidated on leverage, but you cannot get liquidated on a spot. That's the thing. And if you split your resources... И опять кто-то вышел. Если ты ресурсы раскидаешь, не знаю, штук 30 коинов, или там, скажем, допустим, 10 тысяч долларов по 100 долларов 100 коинов. Один из них дает x100, ты купил. А в булране там ни один из них даст. Там дохренища что даст. Допустим, вот для меня лично вот это один из топовых коинов сейчас, который находится в такой нереальной аккумуляции. Господи, это вот... Это недельник. Мы смотрим таймфрейм. Не купить вот это было бы, ну, как минимум глупо. Кстати, меня нормально слышно? Музыка, звук, микрофон? Или мне надо быть асмр-мальчиком? Ничего себе. Даже не знал, что это так работает. Ну ладно. Thanks. Okay, I will switch actually back to English, because this is going to be my recording on the stream. Perfect. So yeah, basically STRK. I have my Russian speakers on my other channel. So this one I created specifically for English speakers. STRK is the, actually we can start with this thing. What is this? That's the Bitcoin. Whatever we see, perfect, thank you. Let me remove everything. First of all, we can just see and what I am expecting to see here. I'm waiting for the pullback, and the funniest part is just we can basically start with this ultimately basic analysis. We go with the Fibonacci levels. I'm using them. It's a perfect retracement. That's the golden pocket right here. That's my first thing I usually do before I start doing everything. So at least I want to take a look at where I want to look at further. Let's say we found that one, right? Golden pocket. Okay. After that, I see, okay, that looks fine. Although, whatever happened right now, I don't want to be claiming this is where might Bitcoin goes. Yeah, it might go there. Hello, hello. I see two people here. So this is the way of me making like a forecast. Because, for example, I traded whatever I posted today on YouTube. I traded this coin, RARC USD, USDT.P, because it's perpetual, and I used to trade that, and I made $60,000 on that. Yeah. The way I was planning where it'll go and why I was expecting 45 cents, I basically took from the low to the high. That's the perfect retracement, you can see, right? For example, this is my entry. This is what I usually use. My entry was at 34 right here. I will explain later why. Hello, wow, 3 people. Thank you, guys. I wasn't expecting anybody coming here. So, and how I ended up, Здорово. Everyone is speaking fucking Russian here. Not complaining though. So, and the way I decided to check where the price will go, this is the way I use Fibonacci. Because it's not the, I mean, I don't like using indicators, although you can see this stuff here. The way I decided, so I started from here, and I was looking for the retracement of retest of this level. So price will come here. Where it will come back, we need to figure out. So basically from here, we need to see golden pocket, which is like a classic, when it comes back here. And you can see now. So we are waiting for this coin to go to up to like 60 cents. And this is where it's gonna come from, like on the way back, might be doing that, this, and further. Or we will just start dumping after that. Anyways, you can make money even on that. It goes there, it dumps, it recovers, and on this thing you can see almost 50 fucking percent. Yes. Let's talk about Ondo, guys, because I'm on the fun boy. I'm not a Ripple person, although, okay, I must admit, Ripple maybe will double at max, I think, but let's go with Ondo, USDT. I will make a stream on Russian also. So the thing is with Ondo, why it went that. So this thing is pure manipulation. You might ask, what the hell is manipulation? Let's go here. Let's use some professional institutional stuff. Ondo USDT. First of all, I'm saying manipulation. That's why liquidity got grabbed at the top, and I'm expecting Ondo to go lower, but I'll tell you why, because I have some information about that. Let's go with like 15 minutes chart. Uh, you have target. Are you short, or you are expecting to long from there, or you just want to buy spot there? That's the question. Let me show you what just happened here. So, since I was trading, a lot of you guys, at least 4 out of 6. Okay, by spot, I would go deeper to, like, I have my purchases at 105. That's my box, 2.85 cents. If anybody was asking me for like advice, we're not giving here financial advices, but you probably know that I heard something about that. So this is the place where I would be buying, like even from like 70 something, 75 to dollar 105 would be fantastic. And here's the reason why. These motherfuckers, they just got released like what, like $2 billion almost worth of tokens. So it's like Nathan Alman is going to be, okay, guys, it's going to be Lambo every day during 2025. So why price went up that bad or that good? Let me explain. It's pretty big one. Let's do it here. Let's switch to, let's do 35 days, 15 minutes. I'll explain. So the thing is, price decided to go up and it pushed shorts. People were shorting that thing. No idea. Top one coin, and this is what you're doing to yourself. It's basically all this thing is a liquidity. Markets are moving from liquidity to liquidity because that's the major stop where it can do. I will explain in short right here. Let me go with 4 hours. That's even better. Look at that. So, simply saying, price of the not longs, not shorts. Let me check OI. Pretty healthy. Unlike this one, you can see the OI. OI means open interest. So it's like aggressive buyers and sellers. What you can see here, it's a divergence. You see, price is going lower, but the interest of the crypto is going higher. So basically, people are buying, selling, buying, and whatever is going on, price goes down. It's something that is not right, and you can see it here. For example, up to this moment, even here, it was slightly going down. That's one of the perfect shorts where you can start from the each manipulation. Here we got manipulation. Why? Okay, that's easy. 22. Okay, let's make it like that. So you can see a lot of people here were selling. You can see there's basically no green. Look, for example, here, people at least were buying on the, what is this level? I don't know. Oh, that's here. Yeah, you can see people at least buying here, and it's a healthy. So people are buying. I'm pretty sure a lot of shorts were closed. Yeah, people were buying. You can see it's fucking 3.4 millions of Ondo were bought. And that's normal. But when you see this thing, people are just shorting. And when shorts are entering the market, when they're just dumping it, when they're closing position, it buys. So you shorted, you sold, you're waiting, price goes against you, you need to buy. So close your position means buy. And you can see all people here, like, what is this? It's all stop losses. People don't want positions to go against them. Look at this. That's freaking heavy. If you want to know where these people will lose money, it's right here. Some people use last candle right here. And when we see the cascade forming, they had stops right here. When the price went against them, that's the first thing. They are forced to close it. You can see price went against shorts. So opening shorts, like actually selling the market, is red. Gray when they're closing that, and they're not closing in the profits here. Longs, the same thing. They're buying long, yeah, balls deep, under to the moon, but they're getting squeezed. They lose this money here, and now you can see, it's like 7.99, and you can see the size of this block, right, of this candle. 799 negative delta means 799,000 on the were sold more than bought. Okay, it makes big candle. Why double of this candle makes it only that? Why it's double of the sale pressure doesn't go anywhere lower? Because there is a big buyer, big long player who is absorbing everything. This is basically when you can see the reversal. And once price gets against them, you can buy. You can buy spot right here. And you can see how it turned out. It turned out pretty well. For example, you bought it here and it went here. It's 22% to the top. Okay, 20% to the normal thing. You put $100, you took $120. And the same thing in margin trading. You would probably make less in the margin trading because you would be using like 5% of your balance under X20. So, and I assume before price gets the delivery, so it was accumulation, manipulation, and now we're in the distribution phase. I would like to see price going down because they got a lot of tokens. They want to sell something, at least something. And yeah, I assume we will see more shorts opening. You see, 8.4 millions. Yeah, of course, they got relisted. Maybe some of them sold it like that or even shorted. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure actually that Ondo guys cannot short it because you cannot beat against your company. But at least what I'm expecting, so I'm expecting price to go down, then try to do something, then take all the liquidity from this thing and then reverse. This is my plan, my personal plan. I have all positions open from 105 to 70 cents or 75, something here. And it's all like 100, it's all 50x leverage, but it's a small position. Also, I'll be buying a lot of spot Ondo. Why Ondo? You know, it's RWA, real world assets. This is just easy as it is. Price of Ondo will be definitely multiplying from here, and this is just a discount. Ondo will be also sponsoring elections on Monday. I mean, not elections, but inauguration. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty hyped stuff. And you can see here, what the hell is this? Why it happened? That's easy why it happened. Shorts were opening, longs were opening, they got squeezed, and in the end, shorts are wrecked, longs are wrecked. All longs that are opened here at the top of the candle, price went against them, easy squeeze to the bottom. It's like 115 from 132. Holy shit, that's a lot of money. Yeah, that's basically it. My expectation for Ondo is this. Same thing as for RWA related stuff. And for example, usual is my... Oh, okay, let me show you something special. We go to the 1 week. Oh, you're welcome. I just wanted to show how I do that. I'm expecting another liquidity grab. And one of the first things that I do is I just go and use Fibonacci. And you can see we actually jumped out of golden pocket. Even though I'm a fan of this thing, and it made total sense to me why it happened. It just basically dumped and a lot of shorts are open, and yeah, they're gonna get squeezed and price might even just go higher, but I don't expect that. I want to see strong Bitcoin pullback, which we didn't see. The thing is, this is the Bitcoin right now. Let's go to the 4 hours. And you can see it's like this liquidity, this is the money that market wants to take. For some reason, it just only it only took this one, which is not enough. When price gets here to this level, imagine all crazy longs that are open from here. They have stop losses here. Price goes against them. Once it reaches this point, these guys, you won't believe me how many people are still sitting long from here. So they bought long here, price went up, they didn't take profits. I'm like all in, Bitcoin to the moon, $1 million, Lambo. So far what we see is just only this thing. Price wants to retest it. Price goes from level to level, you can see, and it's pretty quickly. It's 4-hour time frame, couple days and we're there. Especially when you are looking at all that stuff. And if we open BTC, you're gonna see something special. Let me show you. 5 days, 7. Okay. I don't need 1 minute. I need, let's go with, it'll take some time. 4 hours. Yeah. It's gonna be loading for a while maybe. Yeah, so with Ondo we're done, I guess. My personal split of portfolio is 30% of RWA. So it's like, let me open the sketchy document, which I used before. Okay, yeah, that's some Russian stuff, but I bought computer in Russia, so that's why. Oops, that's not. Okay, my split is 30% RWA, or maybe even 20, I don't know. 20% AI, 10 GameFi, 10 CeFi, centralized finance, 10 DeFi, of course, 10 L2, layer 2, which is improvement of something that is existing. Let's say Ethereum is a shit show. Now they implemented some layer 2 blockchain and I don't know, layer 2 product that made lowered the fees, gas fees, all that bullshit, improved speed. This is what we need. And let's say 10% of, oh yeah, metaverse. Yeah, and now I remember why it was 20 of that. Because, of course, we can't go without gambling, right? And I go with memes here. And here you can see it's usual. It's Ondo. It's, ooh, I'm gonna, let me tell you something special. Which one? Let me check. I have a document of all those things. Oh, CFG, yeah. Wow, look at that. Everything is done for us. Let me, yeah, that's basically it. You go here, you go to the bottom. Oh my goodness. I need to come back to that thing. Let me split it by market cap. Then we go to something Bossano, it's all old. So my things that I'm doing, why and how I do the research is, first, new project. Hasn't been on the market longer than 2 years. 2023 is like the earliest. Second, I go market cap. It should be below 200. Okay, let's say now it's $500 million, but okay, it should be below $200 million. Below. Team, at least they should not be useless, but now I look at investment. Big institutionals. By that, you can easily do your work. Look at that. Let's say want to bring this thing here. Of course, you want to deal with guys who are giving almost 20,000% return to retail. Look at that, X200. And look at what those motherfuckers are buying. They're buying Monkey Tilt. Like, really? So you are institution and you are buying Monkey Tilt? What the, right? Another thing. We are looking right now at coin. Yeah, so they basically bought all that, invested. Look at that, how much money they invested. And we go here. And you take, what's this, Opulus? Let's make a full analysis of something, and let's have, yeah, about that, of course. So this thing is pump and dump, nothing else. It doesn't bring any value. It doesn't give anything. Let's check if I'm right. Trump. Official Trump. 26, yeah. Yeah, there's no investors. It was just made by someone for someone. They just want to fucking dump it on Sunday, right before the inauguration. We don't want to see that. So yeah, why I would just skip it. Yeah, definitely. If you were buying it in the tonight when I was just going to sleep, that would make sense. Okay, but these, no, it doesn't make sense. Why these guys listed that? They want to get volume. They get fees, money from. That's why they're here. Holy shit, was this $7 billion? Okay, I'll take it. Okay, here we can see. What is this thing? We go with the lowest market cap and you just Korean chicken protocol. Okay, that happens. And yeah, you just take a look at your filter by look at this wrong filter. Why it shows me millions and then it shows a lot more millions? Now it shows me billions. Probably this doesn't make sense. Okay, and we go with like Polytrade. Okay, I know Polytrade is, as far as I remember, is pretty legit. Polytrade. Look at that, fundraising. You can see the, so you found the coin that doesn't worth almost anything and its market cap is Polytrade, 20 millions. To the billion, let's see. Who invested in that? Tier 2. I'm not a big fan of buying something that tier 2 is buying, so I would skip it, but it's a lot better than buying XRP, which or at the top or it's at the top. Let's go with a Poly. Which one is this? I guess it's Polytrade. No, it's no, Polymath, and it should be this bull. Yeah, that's the one. Look at that. So you see, that's the coin. Let's check how old is that. As far as I remember, it's an old one. Yeah, it's dead. We are not touching that. That's the easiest analysis we can do. Venom, whatever is that, Ribbon Finance. Let's do RBN. It makes more sense. At least how it sounds. It's dead. I'm not touching that. Venom. We go here, we go that. Okay, perfect. Wow, that looks perfect. Although it's in a price discovery mode, it goes to the... Nah, I don't know. We can check what does it mean. Maybe that's the strategy. Maybe they got released a lot of... Yeah, no, there is no investors. We don't need that shit. Biden is old one. Horizon Protocol. It's been forever there. Yeah, I cannot say, at least from here. Opulus. Let me check. Opulus, whatever. No, okay, we don't need it. Swarm, oh, SMT. Swarm Marcus. That should be the... It might pump up to like 70 cents. I don't need that. Why would I? Realio. Okay, Realio, it used to be famous. Boson is old one. LTO is old. We made money with this like 4 years ago. Dusk. I don't trust coin that is switching the... Okay. Yeah. Lumia. Sounds like stellar lumens. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm here for that. Okay, Lumia looks like a beast. Okay, from what I see here, this is the coin I would have bought like balls deep in 2021, in 2017, in 2015, in the 13 when shit coins were there. There are a lot more shit coins right now, but okay, Lumia, looking fantastic. Lumia. We go here, fundraising. Okay. Who is the investor? No, I'm not looking at the tier 2 guys who are giving 152% return. Doesn't do that. Okay, Orion. They might put these here. Orion money. Delphin, no, just okay. So let's take a look at what else we have. Although Lumia looks fine. Oh, I think it's TokenFi. TokenFi is the token that we've got. Yep. So this one is looking epic, and I remember it was here. Yeah, 544 fundraising. No. Definitely this one. Definitely this one, because I saw top tier investors here. It's just a brand new. It's not anywhere yet. Do we have... Yeah, they're not anywhere. So yeah, that's the coin I'm waiting for to buy if I see a low price. Then after that, was that TrueFi, Maple? Definitely these are good. Oh, CFG, that's my favorite. After everything, CFG, Centrifuge, is epic in terms of whatever I found here. First of all, yeah, look at that. Top tier investors. 4. All these guys, look at that. It's 4 pages of investors. Okay, yeah, definitely they go to the tier 2 or 3, but this is the biggest market maker in the world. Ondo is a partner of them. Usual is the partner of them. Yeah, you can see Usual. DFNS. What the hell is this? DFNS. Yeah, they still are not there. So whatever biggest market maker is buying, why wouldn't you get that? They also... I'm trying to find... Yeah, Centrifuge. I'm looking for the token they invested in, because some of them, they are for the... Oh yeah, Athena. Pyth network. Okay, that's strategic, and they're not even showing how much they invested. Pyth, that's the one. Definitely, you can see this. Look at that. Holy shit. This is the perfect. This is what you want to see in your coin. After that, you go to Pyth, and you can see, and you know, it dipped a lot, actually, in comparison with this. So it bottomed, and it looks like it's reversing. So Pyth is something that I'm going to have in my bag. And yeah, I'm waiting for the final push of Bitcoin to the lows. After that, I will be buying all altcoins, and I will be flexing in Twitter again with a lot of different shit coins that are doing like extend and more. Basically, those guys who are invested, they got this, but they don't need that money from just on the sale. They will wait for longer. You can see Ondo is here. I started buying Ondo in February 2024 when they just released on Bybit. Since I'm American, I cannot trade on Binance. Binance US is a shit. So yeah, Pyth network is something that you want to have in your bag. Let me check if oh, guys, I have something special for you. I've done it on my Russian channel. That's basically it. Yeah, so this is Super Win These are, I need to figure out. That looks legit. That's my marking. TokenFi particle. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. Dragonfly Coinbase, you don't have to tell me anything else. You know it'll moon. Okay, let's see what's the price of that. 602. How old is that? Less than a year. Where is that? At the bottom. How much it'll be worth? I don't know, $5? $10? Okay, I'll take it. This is where my money will go. And you know, I always buy, yeah, I have some coins that die. Yeah, it's all about risk management. You split between 300 coins, whatever you can, and one of them will make a return extra over everything that. So yeah. RWA, yeah, Polytrade is right here. You can see prop base. Props, I don't know why. Let's see, props. Prop base. Look at that. We've done it already. Holy shit. Look, it came back. If you open any... Do we have something? I don't know. Pancake swap. Let's go with Pancake swap. Bullshit exchange. You know, with the scam and everything. No, I want to see trading stuff. I don't want to see something. Okay. What's that? It's props. Okay, it goes here. Mexi. Okay, let's go with Mexi. Weapon that. We go. Why would I even do that? I have pretty legit thing, right? Mexi props. Look at, oh my goodness. That's like Onda. Look. Really? What is this? Do you notice any difference or not? It's two different coins. Look, Onda and props. What? Okay. Funny. How does it look on the daily? We're just freaking bottoming. You go with the basic Fibonacci stuff, you go up. It's a shitcoin purchase. It's a perfect shitcoin purchase. So if price goes down of BTC, this thing will take more liquidity from here. It'll take all this liquidity, might take even that. This is where you want to pick it up. Wow. Although I would be looking for that. I don't expect this coin to go below like 40%. Yeah, it's the lowest, I guess. So yeah, that's a perfect purchase of the coin. Yeah, that's the box. Only because I am still expecting Bitcoin to go down. Look at that. STRK, Starknet. One of the best investments you can make, I assume, and I already have pretty much good money in that. Look at that. So here it was dumping because they were releasing coins. I assume that's like on the way. And then it'll be doing stuff here, accumulating. And then we will see something like that. Yeah, that's basically it. You might ask why? Ilia, why you're so positive about that? Why? And I'll tell you why. First of all, it's 100. Okay, it's 100. Oh, yeah, it's 80. What? Oh, it's market. Okay, it's a billion. Okay, it's a bit less. Yeah, we might see like a X10 or something. I'm just always trying to move from the... Okay, STRK. Easy analysis right here. Look at that. Look at this. Okay, we're good with how many institutionals investing. Big player is always winning. Small player mostly losing. Look at that. Pantera Capital. Paradigm. sorry, paradigm in Russian. Sequoia Capital, Coinbase, Polychain, Multicoin. This motherfucker is investing. Can you imagine in like 2017 someone will say Vitalik Buterin, whoever he is buying some shit coin? I cannot say that. Yeah, and yeah, they just kept investing into that, kept pumping. Look at that. It's just something ridiculous. This is what you want to see in your portfolio. Yeah, that's the coin. I'm expecting lower price. They raised like like more than $250 million, and they have valuation $8 billion. They're still below the $1 billion. So yeah, and the bottom is in. Look, it doesn't go below than these 34 cents or whatever is this price. You can see it's just performing perfect. Look at that. That's my best part. The lowest point of this coin was this. Let me use magnet so it'll be easier. Yeah, price basically did like higher high. It's a market maker structure. Lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, maybe higher low. After that, we'll go further. Or maybe it'll keep accumulating whatever I printed here or pointed or painted. Yeah, this is the perfect spot when you want to buy something. Because, nope. Yeah, you want to buy coins, which is doing that. Exactly that. Right? You don't want to buy here. You want to buy here. And after that, you want to hold whatever you want. Wait for the next bull run. Wait for the divergences on here. This is where you're buying. Look at that. Or if it dipped and if you still believe in a coin, buy here. Buy where accumulation is. Buy where the lowest is. Look at that. I go to the monthly. And it's always, I don't know, lower, low, I mean higher, higher, high, higher, low. Pretty similar, but higher, low. It just is trying to beat the price that it had before, even though it's a market cap, it's not important. This is what I'm talking about. And if you check Bitcoin dominance, BTC dominance, BTC dominance. I'm expecting, ooh guys, do you remember my call here and 21 here? It was January. Yeah, it's January. It was January where seller started to go to the freaking moon. Bitcoin started losing dominance, and that's what we got. So we'll see whatever is happening. I'm expecting Bitcoin to give like a last push to here. Destroy all altcoins. This is where I'm going to be entering heavy for like a year, like a next year. So it goes here, all altcoins are going, of course, to the bottom. And then Bitcoin will be just going like that. And all altcoins are going to be going like that in the prices. And they will be multiplying like crazy. I don't know, from here to here. That's basically market cap 250%. So yeah, that's my expectation for now. And these are coins. Yeah, that's what I said. ENA. Oh yeah, Morpho and Arkham. Arkham, guys, is just epic thing. Arkham is like, I call them a blockchain police. So it's basically whatever happened. Someone stole money, someone stole something. You just connect to Arkham, you put your wallet, and you track down any transaction related to this wallet. Whatever you lost, and it went somewhere, it'll be tracking that forever. Arkham is something that you need in your portfolio. And the price for that is actually super low. Let's do that. Look at that. Look at freaking that. Weekly. Fantastic project, deeped that well. What? You definitely want to buy that. That's what I can say. Do you guys have any other questions? Of course, Athena. ENA, yeah. Still waiting for the bigger pullback. Again, my first analysis goes here. Then I find this coin somewhere here. Oh, yeah. Wait, what? Okay, let me remove, that's some sketchy language not many people know. I have this wisdom. Yeah, what I'm looking at. Crazy, crazy, crazy longs are open here. Actually, all that box. Where do they have their stop losses? Easy. Cascade from here to here. Once price gets here, it'll flush it. It flushes there. You can see a lot bigger numbers. It's almost 2,000. Here you see another one, right? Look at that. 1,500 of Bitcoins bought. 2,000 of Bitcoins bought. 1,600 of Bitcoins bought. Where are their stop losses? Here. 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 We go further. And we are interested to see like something below that. But I remember there's a cascade that starts here. I don't want to load and take a lot of time, yours and mine, but yeah, that's what I'm expecting for. Basically, some nasty Bitcoin flush to the 75,000 or something. Why 75? It's not because of that. USDT-TRC. Not because of only that. Not because of that. 75, 70, even like 62 to 72. Not because of that. Because I checked all levels of the trades that were done before. And it's a perfect level where price needs to go below. So yeah, if we take a look at like 4 hours, look at that. It's all the liquidity that needs to be taken right to here. Look at that. This we might stay here, although I still have some concerns. You can go from here to here, and yeah, we might just dip to like 95. So 2 points of interest are here of Bitcoin. And it even looks like, you can see the liquidity should be swept from here. And it'll take this little cascade. It'll dump to close this FVG, fair value gap. This is where price needs to be. So it's basically that box, not just the blue one. And another thing, it's ultimately basic analysis right now, because I'm going to make a video of how to do more in-depth. That's where price can go right here for another push. So it's all liquidity here. You go to let's go to 24 minutes. Look at this. If you are subscribers somewhere, ooh, you can barely hear me. Can you hear me now? Yeah, thank you for telling that. I assume, and especially, I might want to increase that. Okay. Thank you. So you can see this thing is a pure liquidity. This will be destroyed in a matter of like seconds. It's like if price gets here to 102, trust me, you will see this at least to like 2000 drop. This is what you're gonna see, because all stops here, they're nasty. And if we take a look at like, what's that, like 10 days, 15 minutes, you're gonna see what's gonna happen there. That's a lot. I trade this thing, so that's why I know. Oh, okay, I already have it here. Funny. Yeah, that's basically all the stops. It's a lot of 300 bitcoins, 500 bitcoins, 2000 bitcoins, 254 bitcoins. Everything and everybody is planting their... It's just like a bomb. It's gonna explode, this thing. Take all these stops, go down and below. So we basically gonna see some nasty flush. I don't want to buy altcoins before we down somewhere here, 70 to 80,000. This is where I feel, okay, now it's a reversal time. I'm buying all in my altcoins. They go at least here before the dump. Okay, when Bitcoin goes here, multiply by like 3 to 5. This is what altcoins are going to do. And you can see this move. I will just multiply, increase my portfolio by what? Almost like 70% only on this move, in case if we are going to dump. That's the thing. Well, what if we go further? That'll be a legit move. So that's basically it. I just cannot say anything else. I'm expecting for the dump of Bitcoin. I'm not buying at the top. If I see price going further, which is totally possible, I will be expecting for the pullback. I will be waiting for the pull. Oh my goodness, guys. Sorry. If price goes there, it's 24 minutes. Let's do 4 hours. If price does that straight to the here, I will be expecting for the move from here to here. This is where I want to pick up my Bitcoin. Or if it goes down, it'll go down like that. Anyways, I'm making my profits. Okay, the Blaze, hello, welcome. Here is the thing. I was just making, if you can take a look at this thing or rewatch my stream, this is the way I'm splitting my portfolio. And if you know from past, I was pretty good at splitting my portfolio and making X100 in the spot. So this is the narrative. In this year, we were going with AI, and you see what AI did. Here we go in real world assets, 20% of portfolio. That's what I do. And trust me, I know what I do. Or check my X Twitter. When I made like from 1 Bitcoin, 105 Bitcoins seller network. I go with 10% of GameFi. I'm surprised. I know games are not the future or something, but you cannot say no to games when half of the planet is playing that. CFI, centralized finance. You can just search by centralized finances, coins, decentralized finances. L2, it means layer 2 network. Networks that are improving existing blockchains. So they're improving that. Yeah, that's basically is the best for finances. Metaverse, everything is going into VR, AR, something. Like I wear glasses sometimes. I just have fun. You're just sitting watching everything like that in the movie theater that you just basically generating. Which ones are the best? You go, I go, and you can also go with the coins that are 2023, like the earliest. You don't go with the coins that are 2021 or 2019. Those are useless. You go to the coin market cap, you found some coin, I don't know. Let's say, where's my, okay, Arkham. That's the coin that I love. You open all, you see it's 2023. Okay, that was some accumulation. Why is this like that? It's looking fantastic, don't get me wrong. It just dipped like 80, almost 80% from the top. Fantastic. You go here, you go Arkham, ARKM. You go fundraising, you check that, who are investors. This guy to me is like, okay, to the moon. Peter Thiel, yes. Sam Altman, yes. Binance, Coinbase, that's pretty much enough for me to get with like, okay, I wanted that. That's enough for me. Yeah, pretty much new coin with a lot of nice investors is cryptorank.io. You check the how long they are here. It looks like, okay, it's it's year and a half, I can say. Pretty good. They have some volume. They have a nice market cap. X10 easily. That's the, like I said, it's police. Look at that. 32 billion of MicroStrategy Bitcoin now on Arkham. They're tracking everything. It's basically all their wallets and everything, where they go. If they lose something, it'll be tracked forever until it gets somehow lost, hacked or something. But they see everything. You can see whatever they buy. Every week, MicroStrategy is buying like 3,000 Bitcoins, 1,000 Bitcoins, 3,000, 65 Bitcoins. Yeah, 2,000. Every week, it's like one every day in a week. That's what they do. This is how I found this project. Then I found the project that is having these investors. Starknet. You can see K. Let's go with this. You want to buy coins not here, not these, when it's here, like everyone right now is buying Ripple. Honestly, when people are asking me, oh, should I buy Ripple? Maybe not there, maybe on a discount, maybe on some local discount, maybe here, maybe here. If you want to get Ripple, which is not, I mean, it's going to be the institutional use. It's going to be the transaction coin, which I was telling back to 2015. Yeah, but XLM is private. This one is ultimately centralized. It's just like one office. Yeah, you want to get coins that are dipped, that are accumulating right now. You wanted to buy Ripple here. This is where you wanted to buy Ripple. You don't want to buy Ripple here. And whatever we find, I'm expecting for Bitcoin to go down. I'm expecting when Bitcoin dips somewhere here, maybe it'll go. I was expecting from this week to go here. This is where all my longs are open. I will be trading, getting all longs. I'll be getting a lot of spots. I'll be getting like everything. So we'll see how it works. But so far for me, I don't know. I'm not a trend line guy. Let's do one like I'm here with people. Yeah, we broke the level. Oh yeah, I don't know. Or maybe we didn't. I don't know how do people do this thing? They just like what? I see a lot of what if I want to do these weeks? Okay, let's see how it retests. It's all bullshit. Honestly, guys, I'm like professionally trading. I'm living for that. Look, if trend was going here, it reflected. Okay, you sell. Of course, you take some profits, but the thing is, it just doesn't work. It just totally fully reversed and went up. Everyone was probably expecting, oh yeah, and then fell here, but not scam, and then went up. Because, and you know what? What's unhealthy, guys? What I hate about Bitcoin? Look at fucking that. Sorry for me cursing. Let me show you why I hate it. This is professional tool, in like professional traders and investors are using that. When price goes up here, you can see everyone is buying. You can see pressure of buys is going up. Price is going up. Healthy. Why the hell people are selling and closing their longs? Price is still going up. It's not healthy for the market. This is perfect for the pullback, for the destruction of the coin. That's the Bitcoin, what we see right now. And it's all because shorts are getting closed. Look at that. It's like so there is no interest. People are saying basically, okay, I'm going to short, and then they're closing. Okay, no, I'm not shorting anymore. I don't need this freaking Bitcoin. I don't want to even short it. It's so useless. I don't want to even short it. These guys, oh no, I'm not longing the top. We don't need it. But since a lot, when you are longing, when you are buying something, when you long, price goes up, 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 and you close this position here, you sell it. So you bought, now you sell it back. You bought, I don't know, iPhone for $1,000, you sell it for $1,500, and price of that dips a bit. This is how it works. Same thing with shorts. They're selling, but they still have something that they're selling. They need to buy it back and they need to get their money back, and they buy it. Since everyone is shorting that bullshit, this is how now they're closing positions. Shorts are closing positions. You can see, let me close these longs. Might be a bit difficult, but I'm making like the big ass explanation. Yeah, you see, 258 Bitcoins closed of shorts. What happened? Price jumped up. Look, 258. This is 258. You can see. Plus, of course, plus if we add net longs, plus 134 longs. Yeah, this is how markets are moving. They're not moving because of the patterns. They're not moving. Patterns are psychology. It's like when people are getting super pissed of the cryptocurrency scams and everything, they're selling that. And their sale doesn't go anywhere but to the level of where people usually give up. It just goes down. People are getting greedy. Short. Shorts are knowing that when price gets here, I need to close my position, because usually this is the reversal. And shorts are closing their position, and it goes up because they're closing. Longs are jumping in. They're helping to push the price. This is how markets are moving. And this is why price is going higher. Not because of someone is just, oh yeah, I know how to do stuff. Oh yeah, that's some, it's a head, shoulders, why it dips down. No, it's not because of that. It's because everyone is longing from here, from here, from here, and from here. And it has a lot of stop losses. Longs need to be closed or taken out. When price gets against them, people like crazy, they close their positions. I just made a video how I traded yesterday ARC. It is gonna be the last one, guys. It's not that long. I will show you why I entered the trade and why I see market is bottomed for the, oh holy shit. Okay, ARC, let's go 3 days 5 minutes, so it won't take long. Yeah, my entry point was here, 34 cents. Why I entered here, not here, 34, yeah, no, I entered here. Yeah, that's where I entered. Yeah, I saw that. So that was my entry. Why I entered here, I saw this guy opening short and longs are going against him, and it's pretty big position. This is why I entered, and my stop loss was somewhere here at 33. I will explain in a little bit. Look what I got here. I exited here. That's my sell. 500,000 tokens. You can see it here. I longed and then I sold at the top. Why? Easy as super easy. You can see everyone is shorting. Short, short, biggest shorts, big short, big short. Where they put stop losses? They put stop losses here. Where these guys are selling. They're shorting here. They put stop loss above the candle. This is how people trade. They put stop loss above the candle, above the candle. Once price goes against them, they're forced to close. They don't want to lose a lot of money. Price went here, came back for the retest, and I'm like, sketchy. Went higher, came back for the retest. I'm like, okay, I'm entering. And after that, yeah, it was kind of sketchy, but it went higher. All these guys, you can see it's red, 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 red. It's basically green. Nowhere green. It has a lot of stop losses. They were forced to close their positions and they got squeezed. You can see it's not because someone bought, it's because someone sold. I mean, someone bought by closing their short. And yeah, this is where price went. And I got all the money from here. And shorts were trying to open. Price was keeping going against them. And it was squeezing them higher and higher. Yeah, they couldn't do anything here. That's someone's nice short, pretty much. But now again, they get squeezed. They're shorting here, 178, 76. Price went against them. Here we go. Longs are opening. Right now, what I would be watching. If price goes here, these guys under the water. Let me explain. Okay, this is where their stop losses are. We can even take a look at price action right now. Look, these are longs, right? And they're actively open. It's actively open 400,000 longs. Whoever shorted that, they gonna get liquidated. For example, you can see 200 something. So their stop losses, they were probably moving stop loss further. If price goes further, beyond that, you're gonna see the squeeze pretty nasty. Yeah, if it goes higher, it'll kill these guys who were shorting from here. They're not closed yet. You can see it's 200, almost 250, but closed only 80. Yeah, and someone is not allowing them to go. Hello, hello. Stone face. Yeah, we discussed that. Yeah, it's gonna squeeze those guys. Look, longs are getting in, and we need a quick. It's gonna be quick flush for like 150 shorts closed. You're gonna see that. Let me put it 1 minute. They're not let yet to go higher, so they might get trapped, which would be fantastic. If price gets here, they will be forced to close their positions. Look at that. Yeah, and they're longing here, and they're longing pretty not legit. It's like 46k open. Still, we can see, okay, where their stop loss. It's usually the guys that like the worst is retail. They're going for the, okay, let's push the price. Let's push the price. And only big short is getting like, is absorbing their money. And then it'll push them once they see the market makers, like the glass. Oh, look. The fight. Oh yeah, squeeze. What's that? Yeah, that's the one. So the difference, yeah, 161, like I told you. What's that? Was 250 minus 70, 160. They got squeezed. This is how price is going up. It's not going because someone is buying. Just slight buy, but guys who are, yeah, look at that. Holy fucking shit. Yeah, 170. Now you see how price is moving. These guys were trapped. They were trying to short here. And these guys were yeah, you can see these guys were actively shorting. You can see the red thing. They were actively shorting, but I see they were not closed with this push. Look, you see, it's 250,000, but here we don't see 250,000 closed. And I assume if price goes against them, this is where they're gonna jump out. And this is guys probably who were moving their stop loss higher, 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 and they got liquidated. This is how it works. Yeah. And here, if you see longs are getting opened like crazy, like blue candles, blue, 500, 600, 700, and it doesn't go up, feel free to enter short here with the stop loss here. And your heavy freaking short will pay you off, because these guys will have their stop losses here. Some of them are just maxing. Oh yeah, look at that. Now we got longs. It's like on the market, nobody wins except those who are on the spot. Look, another shorts. What the hell is this? Oh, okay, these are not shorts. It's longs are closing. And now if price goes against that, nobody closed their longs. These guys are still sitting and watching price go up. If price goes against them here, they're cooked. Okay, here is 100% they're cooked. And then it'll go a lot lower. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you can see the fight is right here. Shorts are losing it. When you're watching price from this perspective, it makes a lot more sense. When you're just watching candles like that, how can you tell what is going on there? Maybe this candle was the critical candle. Why? Look, it was fat. And price didn't go a lot lower. Maybe it'll have some reversal. And it has some reversal. That's basically it. Yeah, guys, that was my test of my YouTube from the 2020 or 21. Yeah, 2020. I hope I answered some of your questions. Feel free to ask me in a stream on a comment section. I get all the notifications. I want to make this series of trading lessons where I will, thank you, where I will hide my private keys in a video. I'm planning to do, because it's a beginning, I assume this is the beginning of my YouTube from like a second stage, second wave. I want to have the video of like the series of trading course, which is free. Holy fucking shit. Guy who is living on trading and not doing anything else is actually making the course how to trade. I will be making about everything about risk management, about this strategy, about other strategies, how to trade them. And after that, oh my goodness, shorts are trying to push. If price goes here, they are cooked. Or if price goes here, longs are cooked. So I will be making the video and I'll be hiding private keys from USDT wallet. So this private key will be containing whatever is like 40 symbols or something. It'll be all in a series of videos. One private key will be hidden there. It'll motivate you guys to subscribe and like follow with all this bell. The thing is, I don't want anyone get scammed by YouTube. So you will have your... Yeah, I used to do that. Yeah, exactly. I'm like trading. I'm like 14 years in crypto this year, in August of this year. It's going to be a big one. So yeah, for the very beginning, it'll be small reward because I just want to take a look at how it works and if it motivates people. Of course, if I put $1 million, yeah, it would motivate, but it's not worth it for me. I would better put in Starknet coin. or Ondo. What's with Ondo? Yes. Oh yeah. Look, a lot of shorts. Let me just take a look at that. 3 days, 5 minutes. I'm planning to put private keys in the videos, and in the final video you will get, it's like a quest. So that's what I want to do, guys. Holy shit, look how many shorts. It's all red. Yeah. And now price goes against them. Let's recap. I assume price will go higher to close the gap here, from what I know. Yeah, so we are expecting, I'm expecting Ondo to go probably to 130 and then lower, because these guys are trapped. It looks like a manipulation. Look at that. What is this? Every 5 minutes. Wow, that's some accumulation. This is some accumulation. Look, it's exactly the same thing. Yeah, that's perfect long, I would say. I would go long from here with the stop loss here, honestly. So long now, $1.20 stop loss, take profit 131. Or actually what I do, I go with Fibonacci to the lows, and I take first profit here. That's my strategy. 127. So you long now, you go. Let me do that. Okay. Yeah, a little pullback would be nice to take out these guys, because it does exactly the same thing all the time. So yeah, I want to have the quest of videos where in the end, whoever watched first, it'll be scheduled for the same time every time video is getting published. So you won't get scammed by YouTube's notification thing, because some people get notification, I don't know, next hour, but you will know, like, I don't know, 9 a.m. New York time, my video will be posted, or 9 p.m., whatever time. That's my strategy, guys, for developing YouTube too. So I'm waiting for more, and also there will be game. I'm going to post. Let's see. There will be the video where you will need to put your wallets with the prediction where Bitcoin will be on February 19, in 1 month from there. And for first 2 weeks, I will be accepting their comments, then I'll disable them. And then we'll have draft live from those wallets. Who was the closest to the candle close at 23.95, 59? Like, let's say February 28th, 23.59, right? 11:59 p.m. Where candle closes at that moment, this is where price was. And whoever's comment will have the closest prediction, I will withdraw those money to this wallet live. I would say that's a pretty funny thing to do and interesting. Dogecoin on a daily. You are talking about 31 or 26? Oh, double top, sorry, double top. What? Double top? We're talking about double top. That's the Doge. If you're talking about like 4 hours or something, it already passed. If we're talking about double top, yeah, I don't know, I don't trust these things with double top or double bottom. It's just only if they got allowed to go further or not. I don't know. The thing is, it's a psychology of people. Price goes up, long, everyone is going long. You slightly push price against them, flushes. Oh, wow. Do we need any proof of whatever I say? A lot of, yeah, people are using that, but there will be still some people will be shorting, some will be longing that, because shorting these has pretty small stop loss. You want to be short from here with the stop loss here and ride it to the bottom. Yeah, you can see people were longing double top, long. They were not allowed. Price got pushed slightly, flushed. Holy shit, it flushed. And on the way back, it's classic 50% Fibonacci. I don't have 50, but it's almost 50. Price got touched here. It's almost 50. They were not allowed, and again they got flushed. Plus Bitcoin's movements, same thing. Yeah, it's basically, if you want to take a look, it's all in exa charts. Yeah, this is how it works. This is perfectly how it works. Why it goes that way? Because people who are longing from here, or their stop loss is here. Yeah, let's say their stop loss is here. They're longing, price goes here, and they keep longing, their stop loss is here, maybe here. Price goes against them to the critical place where a lot of stop losses. They get flushed. Why price went straight down? Because there is nowhere where you can put stop loss. If you put here, it's huge position, even from like $100, 100x. This is already like, I don't know what. That's a lot, several $1,000s. Yeah, it's like fucking $30,000 might be. Lose. And price takes all this liquidity right here. Kills everyone here. Till their order block, how it's called. Till the first level of liquidity. And then everyone was shorting here. Now they're closing their positions and killing other shorts. So without anyone buying, price goes up. This is how it moves. Super simple. And yeah, we just need to watch whatever happens. I don't trust any double top, double bottom, double something. Yeah, you see, they were not allowed. Price was pushing. Nope. Goodbye. Over leveraged motherfuckers. Here, I don't know. We might get here. Let's see how it goes. Maybe this time it'll push price further. I don't know. I'm waiting for another liquidity grab. This is where I'm longing. That's where I buy. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's head and shoulders. Look, it's a shoulder, it's head, it's another shoulder. It's a wrong shoulder. Maybe this is head and this is gonna be shoulder. And yeah, because you get all this freaking liquidity, of course it'll flush down. Why not? People. Okay guys, like this stream please for the future. Leave a comment. Leave your altcoins that you want me to take a look at. I will make a video on altcoins that you left in the comment below. Put one altcoin. If you see in the comment section something else, put other coin. Why would you put on the? We already checked it here. So yeah, send it your friends. Show it everyone. Watch it again, and I hope you liked it. And let's make some meals this season, because every season it's some meals. Make some meals to get some MILFs. Easy as it is. Oh, thank you very much for joining, actually. You're welcome. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Have a fantastic evening, night, day, and morning. And see you soon. I'm gonna be starting with the videos. Show your friends, because they might get... You tell your friends, look at this video. Please help me to make this, to get this wallet. Let's split it 50-50, whoever gets it. Easy. Thank you very much. Have a fantastic day.